Without transformation, you are wasting your time. All good things must lead to transformation, must change people's lives. You must get the results, you must see something. Ntabwo ari ku Rwanda gusa, ni kuri buri gihugu cyose, buri bantu bose. Ariko tugomba no kubigeraho, tugomba no kugira ngo ni na ngombwa ko tugomba no kwigira icyizere. Ese ubundi tubuze iki? Ko turaha Abanyarwanda, abandi Banyafurika, nkatwe bagowe. Hari ubwo njya nibaza, Abanyafurika twahora turi urugero rubi kubera iki? Twahora turi urugero rubi ku bitagenda kubera iki? Habuze iki? Dufite ba David, dufite ba Kagame, dufite ba hanyuma bipfirahe. Kuki ndibaza abandi, twebwe kuki? Ngira ikibazo hariho bampa amahirwe nkaruhuka nkava muri ibi bintu nkajya iruhande nkareba ibindi nkora. Intambara umuntu yirirwamo, erega abantu b'ahandi, abantu nkanjye nkawe n'abandi, njye niko mbibona. Umuntu uwo ari we wese, ntabwo waba ufite umubiri wera, waba ufite, uri umuntu. Simbona aho umuntu ava ikantarange akaza kumbwira ngo wowe urambwira uri Imana ya hehe? Ugatinyuka n'umwana w'uruhinja kubera aho aturuka akaza gutunga urutoki kubera ko ugomba gukora we uko ashaka, uko atekereza. You must start from the point of rejecting that and say, whoever say, shut your mouth. Hari abo nshaka, the most polite way of telling them that, kubera ko muri politics shakisha uburyo, ariko kumubwira niyo directly ngo shata bigarukira ku munwa, nkareba ukundi mbihindura kuba ntabwo numva umuntu nkanjye ukuntu mpagarara hejuru akantunga agatoki kawe. Ideologically, by religion, by birth, I don't come from that world where you can come and tell me rero niba n'Abanyafurika n'abandi, but there is a caveat here. Don't do this that I'm telling you when you're also not ready to keep trying to do the right thing. Ntabwo kuvuga kwiyumva ukiyemera ukanga ibyo abandi bakubwira gusa, ntabwo ari byo mvuga. you must make an effort. You must also make sure that what you are doing is actually not questionable. Because if you are doing things that are questionable, then people, anybody has the right to come and say, what are you doing? It doesn't matter where they come from. I actually feel they have the right to find me here in my country and say, hey, you man, are you crazy? What are you doing? What are you doing to your people? Absolutely, they have a right to do that. But they have no right to turn it into a practice, a habit, or their right to keep telling me that even when I am right. Absolutely not. This is where I take serious issue with these things. But the best thing I can do is to urge my people to stick to their business and do what is right for them, what is right, that doesn't offend anyone, but that is right for them, that is for their improvement. That is what protects you from these daily and useless attacks from all corners. People come and will come and attack Rwanda and say it is in their interest. That what you are doing is not in their interest. But don't I have things to do in my own interest? Don't I have interests? Don't Rwandans, don't Africans have interests? So that is an unresolved question that goes on a daily basis in politics, wherever you go. But I think God has given me an opportunity to be in a position where I can, without fear or favor, express my opinion to anyone. This is an opportunity I have. I know some of you would want to do like me, but some of you have hands tied. You are making certain considerations, calculations. How do I say this? Maybe I lose something if I say this to this, and if I say this to someone, they may even refuse me a visa to go to their country. So, but for me, I've gone beyond that. So I'm lucky. It's a gift